The southern cassowary, scientifically known as Casuarius, is a sizable flightless bird that originates from the rainforests of Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Ranking as the third largest bird globally, it stands out with its remarkable features. These include a vibrant blue neck, a horn-like casque on its head, and a coarse plumage of black feathers. Southern cassowaries primarily sustain themselves by consuming fruit, but they also partake in small vertebrates, invertebrates, and fungi. Their significance within the ecosystem lies in their role as seed dispersers, facilitating forest regeneration and fostering biodiversity. While these birds tend to be timid and elusive, they can turn dangerous when provoked or cornered. Equipped with sturdy legs and sharp claws measuring 5 inches 12 centimeters in length on their inner toes, they can unleash powerful kicks that have the potential to cause severe injuries or even prove fatal. Encounters between humans and southern cassowaries are infrequent, yet caution should be exercised when encountering their birds in their natural habitat. Currently, the species is categorized as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List due to threats such as habitat loss, hunting, and collisions with vehicles. Conservation efforts focus on safeguarding their habitats and implementing community education initiatives to mitigate human-wildlife conflicts.